Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos on your Instagram story. Something like a carousel, but very easy guys. Let's launch the Instagram app first. So let's try to create a brand new story. All we gotta do is to go ahead and click on the top left, hit the plus sign. Now let's pick two pictures over here. The slim part and the trick over here for you to select multiple images is to click on the top right corner where it says select. There is a double square. You want to click on it. It will turn white. And now you can select as many pictures or videos you like to. Okay, I'm gonna select these two Ferraris. When you're ready, all you gotta do is to click on the arrow at the lower right corner. Now we can actually edit them. You can essentially mention. In our case we do have the Ferrari, right? And you can change the appearance of the actual tag, right? You can make it red like this. We can make it bigger. Then if you want to edit the next picture, all you gotta do is to click the next one underneath. Okay, you can do the same exact thing. Now you can essentially add the location over here, or you can ask a question. Do you like it? Right? Boom. Simple as it is, guys. Then all you gotta do is to press the arrow on the lower right again and proceed. Very important, you can share your story with the public. You can share your story with the close friends, or you can actually send your story through messages to somebody. Okay, very easy guys, very simple. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.